programming language. Okay, so we are going to talk about class and object. Could you please tell me what is a class? Whatever you know, you answer. Okay, don't worry about that. This is what it is and all. Just tell me what is mean by
Class
class.
is class is a collection of objects.
Class is like a blueprint.
Okay. Class is like a
Like a blueprint, and you can create many copies of that. That is called objects.
okay. Great. Anybody else? Anybody else? Can you answer what is a class?
Yeah, class is like a blueprint of an object. Like suppose we need to build a function to it. So a lot of similar like methods we can put in a class, and we can instantiate or create an object, and we use that class methods and variables and
Hmm.
member functions like that.
That's it.
Yeah.
Okay. Calendar Sheikh, do you have any opinion about class and object? Whatever you know. Because from the day in, day out of your work, or from the day in, day out of your college, when you are learning technology, you always talk about class and object. Right? Calendar, can you speak in the call? It will be great. Okay. Okay. So, see, I have a car. Okay, let's take a car or lorry, whatever it may be, bus. Okay. Now tell me, any car, what is your common functionality? If you take a car, what are all the things which will have in the car as a common functionality? Can anyone tell me?
Drive.
Steering is a common functionality. You take any car, your steering is a common for every car.
Yes.
Wheels are common.
Yeah, wheels, gears.
Gear are common. And brakes are common. Right? Like that, so many things are common for a car. Right? But you will call a particular car as a Shift. You will call another car as a Hyundai. You will call another car as a Volkswagen. What is the difference? Why we are calling that?
Different brand.
It's a brand. Okay? It's a brand. We are saying i10 car. Right? We are saying Hyundai car. Okay? We are saying Shift car. All these are having a common functionality by a class car. Even though it is an i10 car, without this information, this car can be denoted. Tell me.
No.
Will this car will run without this information? i10 car will run without this information. Whether the Shift car will run without this information. Hyundai car will run without this information.
No, sir.
Yes or no?
No.
So, can I say class car having a common functionality of every object? Am I right or wrong? Class car having a common functionality of every object I am creating. Is it a correct statement? Is it a correct statement? Please
Count.
unmute
Yes, sir.
yourself, everybody.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Everybody, please unmute. Ashok, Nikhil, everybody, please. For a couple of minutes so that you will get a clarity. Okay. Now tell me, class car will have a common functionality like steering, brake, everything will be a common functionality of it or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Without a common functionality, will you able to move forward?
No.
So if you take a human being, we all are human beings. There are 8 people in the human being. What is your identity? You have you have heart, you have hands, you have brain, you have legs. Everybody have everything, right?
Yeah.
What is the way we are differentiated? We are not calling everybody as a hey human, hey male, hey female. Am I right? We are just
Yes,
calling
yes,
by
yes.
a name.
Name.
Identifying a person with the help of name is called object or not.
Hmm.
You got the point? I
Yes.
am identifying a person with the help of name is nothing but an object or not.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
that's it.
Everybody
Yes.
Yes.
think in a different way. The same thing will happen in technical. They create a class. In that class, they will have a common functionality like declaring variables, declaring methods, declaring properties. Apart from that, is there any other thing we are doing in that? Either it could be a variable, either it could be a method, either it could be a property. Is there any other thing we are adding on top of that? Are we doing anything apart from that?
No.
No, right? Similarly, you see here, parallelly, I'm writing a functionality of car. Let's see. Do I have a variable in a class? You all know what is variable, right? We already discussed. Say, sir,
Yes.
do you all having a method in a class? Yesterday we talked about
Yes,
methods.
yes, yes.
Do you have a properties in your class? I'll tell you
Yes.
what is property. Don't worry about it. See, without these 3 information as a common functionality, am I going to create an object here? Narendra object. I'm saying Narendra object. Here I'm saying Vedansh object. Okay. Here I'm saying Ram object. Clear? So how many objects for the same class?
3.
How many objects we are holding a same class?
3.
3. Will Narendra will give a different set of data? Vedansh will give a different set of data to the class. Ram will give a different set of data to the class. Is it correct?
Yes.
Yes.
So that you are ensuring your class is a common functionality which can be executed based on the object. Clear? We are ensuring a common functionality in a class which will execute based on the object. Am I right or wrong?
Yes.
That is why object is nothing but an instance of a class. What is instance? It is nothing but a blueprint of a class. Clear? Without a blueprint, can I move forward?
No.
No.
Without a blueprint, can I move forward for any work? So who is my blueprint for an object?
Class.
Class. So if you don't have a class, are you able to work on object-oriented mechanism in your
No.
projects? No, right?
No.
So that is called class and object. Anybody have any questions on this concept? I'm not yet implemented. Now, tell me the definition. What is a class? Now tell me the definition. Class contain variables, methods, properties, etc. as a common functionality. What functionality? Common functionality to perform an action. Do you all agree with this?
Yes.
Do you all agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, what is object? See, technically people will talk about object is a
Instance of class.
instance of a
Class.
class. So when I say instance, what does it mean? Instance is nothing but a blueprint. Clear my point? Instance is nothing but a blueprint of a class. How I can able to create a class and object technically in the program? Let me show you that. I'm opening a project. I'm go to my sample program.cs solution. Yesterday we did the same program. Same program I'm going to explain here in a different way. See, I remove the same arithmetic class. I remove the program.cs file. Let's do one by one. Save all. Go to program. See, can I have variable in this class? Can I have variable in this class? Everybody. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to have a variable saying that public integer first number. Okay. So is it a variable of a class or not? Yes or no, ma? Get or set the first number. That means I'm going to get either or setting the value of the first number. Do I need to have another variable? Second number. So I'm going to get the set of second number. Okay. So I got first number, I got second number. Now what I want to do, I want to create an addition operation. I want to create a addition operation. What should I do? I want to perform an addition operation. What should I do? Come on, guys.
Two numbers and store in another
Declare
variable.
one variable also for saving the addition of two numbers.
Forget about declaring the variable. To perform an operation, what do you need?
Operator.
Yesterday we talked about method.
That's
Without having a method, can I able to perform any operation? See, I have a class. Do I need to perform addition of two number? I have a variable which is holding the value of first number and second number. I want to perform an operation, addition operation or multiply operation, XYZ. Okay. So these operations, do we need a method or not? Sheikh,
yes.
Alandar,
Yes.
Nikhil. Without a method, can I perform operation? Not possible. So what I'm
No.
going to do, I'm going to have a public return type as data, add into y. Okay. In this, I can simply say return x plus y. Okay. Yes or no?
Okay, yes.
So what will happen? I am passing value to the first number and second number. Whatever the value I am receiving, I'm going to perform addition. Do I need a in parameter for that? No, I don't need. Why? Because I can use these two variables within a class. So how I'm going to do that? I'm going to replace with first number and second number. Clear?
Yes.
Ram, Pavani
Yes.
Reddy, Sijal, Nikhil Bansal.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah.
So to call this arithmetic class, see, now you created a blueprint. You created a blueprint of the class arithmetic. When this class will be get executed? When that
Once
class
we
will be
create,
get executed?
once we create an object of it,
Once we
and call.
create an object of the class arithmetic will get executed. Correct? Correct or wrong? So go to program.cs file. Here, I'm trying to create arithmetic. Okay. And arithmetic equal to new of arithmetic. This statement will try to create an object. With that object, I'm going to get value from the user. Simply say arithmetic dot first number equal to 20. I'm assigning a value. Okay. Arithmetic dot second number equal to 10. Now what I will do? Enter result equal to arithmetic dot add. Okay, if you want to print it, you have to print using console. Now let's see the program arithmetic. Start the program. You see that the class arithmetic is create an object. It is created an object with the variables. You see, I have a first number and second number. I have two variables or not, first number and second
Yes.
number. Will you all able to see this?
Yes.
Now, method is not able to access, only the variable can able to see you. Okay. So what happened? It is creating a first number and second number. Finally, it is calling an add method. That add method result will come to here. Sir, you create an object of arithmetic. Now I'm going to create another object, arithmetic 1 equal to new. Now the same code, I'm going to use 30-40 combination. I'm going to use 30. Here I'm going to use 20. And I'm going to use 1, 1, 1, result 1. Now you see, this is one particular user and this is another user. Am I right or not? Because you are created a two different objects. Are you created a two different object or a single object?
Yes, we create two different.
We created a two different object. Now if you run the project, you see both object will be in the memory. You created an object of 1. It is completed. Now create an object of 2. It is completed. Now you see, listen carefully. The object 1, control alt Q. You got a value of 20 and 10, which you are having. Say, Sarma.
Yes.
Now, if you use arithmetic 1, Why da? Some naming problem.
That's good.
You got the 30 for 20?
Yes.
Both are holding a two different objects for a single class.
Yes. Yes.
So the diagram what I mentioned has been successfully implemented.
Yes.
It is similar to that. You all know Swiggy portal, right? Or Zomato portal, right? You want to order a food. What you will do? Nikhil will open his own Swiggy portal, own URL. Irshad will create his own URL. Am I right? Ram will have his own URL. Pavani will have her own URL. Every URL will be treated as an object or not.
Yes. Yes.
Functionally, to treat every individual URL will be an independent object for you or not. Calendar.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Nikhil Bansal, Sijal Jadhav.
Yeah.
You got the point or not?
Yeah.
So when you are writing a program, keep that in mind. What are all the things, common functionality I can write in a class based on the scenario? Clear my point?
Yes.
Do you got the point or not?
Yes. Yes.
See, I will give you a scenario. Try to create an employee information. Keep the employee information addition, deletion, updation, and return. Are you going to create a different method or single method for all these operations?
Different method.
See, you want to insert an employee detail. You want to update an employee detail. You want to delete an employee detail. You want to retrieve an employee detail. You want to retrieve a single employee detail. Everything will be in a single method or multiple methods.
Multiple methods.
Why? Why it is a multiple method?
Passing a variable to a method which has this operation of adding.
And forget about okay. Simply business functionality. See, first you understand the business and try to implement in technical conversion. Okay. The major problem in IT you people are doing is you are not understanding the functionality and directly jumping into the code. Okay. Don't jump into code. First, you need to realize what is the problem. So what is your problem here right now? I want to perform 4 different operations, correct? Calendar.
Correct.
Yes.
One is I want to insert, another one is I want to delete, another one is I want to update, another one is I want to retrieve. To do that, can I create 4 methods? First question. Yes, I can create because those are independent functionalities. Correct me if I'm wrong.
Correct.
And then in a class employee, I'm creating all the 4 methods. Am I right?
Yes.
I implemented. Now, coming to here, Ram want to retrieve and see the employee detail. He don't want to do any action. Will you give only the flexibility of Ram to retrieve data by calling a list method? Instead
Yes.
of calling all the method, he can call only a particular method for his operation. Is it correct?
Yes.
Now, Narendra wants to create a new employee because new student has joined in the class. So what I can do? I can go and create a new student or a new employee. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes or not? So, do I need a list information or do I need a create information? I need only a create information. Am I right?
Yeah.
So, like that, you create object for a different purpose, for different users. Narendra may have to create a object. Ram may want to see the list of students. XYZ Vedansh can see either he want to delete a record or he can delete the record. Understand my point? So like that, every individual object will perform an independent action. every individual object will perform an independent action. Am I right?
Yes. Yes.
So that is how the class can be structured. See, in everyday, day-to-day life, you have a home. In home, you are making a key. What is the purpose of your locking the key and going out?
Security.
Without key, nobody can able to open the door. Am I right?
Yes.
Can I say class is a home, key is your object?
Okay. Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Understand my point? Without if somebody XYZ, see, Narendra is locking a home with a key and left, and Ram is coming and trying to open the door with his key. Is it possible?
No.
Why?
Different.
Every key is independent to each other. Am I right?
Yes.
Every key is independent to each other. What does it mean? Every object will be independent for a class.
Mm.
Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
So that's how class and object will be interrelated. You may think that why he is stressing much with the class and object is this is the entire life that you are going to travel with class and object for any programming language. If you understand this very clearly, whatever you are writing, you can easily understand. That is my intention. Clear my point? Now I told you, right? Delete method, update method, insert method and all. So now coming to our program, can I create a subtract method? Can I create a subtract method in this class?
Yes. Yes, we can.
So add is one different functionality, subtract is another different functionality. Public int subtract. Clear my point? So if you go here in the program.cs file, can I say int sub result? Can I call this
Yes.
int sub result 1 equal to this? So this object will have to call two methods, and this object we have to call two methods. Or you got my point? So now I'm going to create another method called multiply. See, object to one, the first object should require a multiply. The second object doesn't require a multiply. It is easy for me to use it. See, how many methods I have in a class? Arithmetic. How many methods I have in a class? In a class arithmetic. Please. Sorry. Am I audible now?
Yes, audible.
I'm sorry, actually internet gone. Okay. So now see how many methods I have in a class.
At present,
See.
3.
At present,
3.
3. Now in program.cs file, sir, this arithmetic object should perform all the 3. Is it possible? Whereas the arithmetic 1 can perform only 2 methods. Is it possible? Sheikh Kalendar, Pavani, Sijal Jadhav. You understand, right? Hello.
Means,
It's
okay.
possible.
You got the point or not? Now, if you run the program, you got all the process will be executed. Finally, close the window. So this is how you need to work on class and object. Okay. Do you have any questions on class and object?
And one question is there, in this program.cs, we need to like make objects every time in this, or for any class, like suppose we have multiple classes, multiple files are
See,
there.
every class should require an object. Without that object, you cannot able to access.
Mhm. But in
Clear my point?
program.cs only we have to write that
No,
object.
program.cs, you are not attended my first class. This main method will automatically executed. If you go on through my first class, it will you will understand. Okay.
Yeah.
But after that, any class you are creating, definitely you require an object. Clear?
Yeah. Yeah.
Understand my point? Now coming back, I have one more thing to you. You are having this value, right? This a single line of statement will help you to create object, right? How many things will happen in this particular line of statement? Anybody can tell me? How many ways I can able to perform this line of statement? There are four steps. Step one is declare a variable. What variable we are declaring? What variable we are declaring? The class arithmetic declared with a variable. This is a variable declaration or not? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
This is a variable declaration or not? Hmm?
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
And then second step is perform a constructor. I'll tell you constructor from tomorrow so that you will understand. Perform a constructor. This is called constructor. Understand? This is called constructor. I will detailedly explain, okay, what is constructor. After constructor execution, third point, create a memory. Create a reference memory. Normal memory. It is not a normal memory. It is a reference memory. New is the keyword will help you to create a reference memory. Clear my point? New is nothing but a keyword. Okay, new keyword will try to create a reference memory. Once the memory has been created, that memory will be memory assigned to a variable. What variable? Arithmetic variable. Variable underscore arithmetic.
Arithmetic.
Understand my point? So this one line statement will having a 4 steps. Clear my point? Tomorrow I will
Okay.
prove you. I can't prove you today. I will prove you tomorrow what I said is right or wrong. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So you see, normal class object will have a lot of features. Okay, you need to understand how the class works and how object will be created, and what are the things I can hold in a class and object. If you understand that clearly, remaining all nothing. See, Jal Jadhav, what happened? You are scrolling. Okay, you understand my point? Now tell me
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
how my program will understand this is a class. You have created a class. How my program will understand this is a class. Class is a keyword. Am I
Class
right?
keyword.
Class is a keyword. Am I right or wrong? Say yes or no.
Yeah.
This class inherited by an object called system.object class. Now you go here, you see when you call underscore arithmetic dot, you see apart from method, there are few other things are also available. What are all those? Equals, get hash code, get type. Am I right or wrong? You are getting here or not? To string.
Yes, yes.
These are all the different methods, right? Where these methods are come from? Right click, go to definition. These are comes from system.object class. This is your root class in .NET framework hierarchy. Understand, right? When you declare a keyword as a class, this automatically treated as a class and it will comes under the inherited property of system.object class. Understand my point? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Pavani, Ram.
Yes, sir.
But nobody will ask if any person who are going for a Microsoft interview or Amazon interview, they will ask these questions to make you to understand how strong you are in object-oriented fundamentals. Your first round of Microsoft interview purely on C#. If you want to join in Microsoft, your first round will be purely on C#, especially on object-oriented. If you are not able to clear that, they not even consider you for the next level. That is the main reason you should be more careful when you are learning C#. It may seem very easy by writing logics, but it has a lot of essence in it. See, I'm saying public class arithmetic. How my .NET framework understand this is a class? My .NET framework should understand, right? This is a class property where I need to treat this as a class. Am I right or wrong? Whatever the class I see today, I'm saying you. I'll give another example. Probably that will match you this scenario. I'm saying I'm going to take C#.NET. When you join, if I'm taking HTML, is it a make sense? Pavani, Ram, will it make sense? No. Why? I am deviating the context. Am I right? Am I deviating the context or not?
Yes.
When I deviate a context, the class concept will be gone away. So similar way, when you declare a class, it need to be detected by the .NET framework with the help of system.object class. Clear my point? Can you all read this statement? Can you all, as a together, can you all read this statement? What does it mean?
Like this is the base class of all the derived classes that we'll be writing. So like if we write a class, then it will be inherited from this main base objective.
Understand, right? This object will have those 5 properties. You see get hash code, get type, number wise clone, object, reference equal, toString. You're getting all the methods which are available for this class. Understand? Knowingly, unknowingly, when you declare a keyword as class, when you try to create an object of the class, automatically your parent class methods also get inherited for the arithmetic class. Clear my point? Clear my point or not?
Yes.
Please say yes or no.
Yes.
Sheikh,
Yeah.
calendar,
Yes, sir, it's
volunteer.
clear.
You
Can you please
understand
show that again?
which one?
The main parent class, yeah, object.
This one. It's a user-friendly, readable statement. Support all classes in the .NET Framework class hierarchy and provide low-level service to the derived classes. This is ultimate base class for all classes in the .NET Framework. It is the root of the type hierarchy. Does it make sense?
Yes, I was actually looking at the name of the class object. So when we declare an object, it is methods are getting inherited automatically.
Yes. Okay. Clear my point?
And how were you able to navigate to that the parent class?
This class
Yes.
with the help of get hash code method.
Okay. I click board definition.
Okay.
So we can check from which object or from which class it's actually inheriting by going right
Any
click.
class you create in your .NET framework, by default, that class is inherited by a system.object class.
Right.
Understand?
Yes.
Any class you create in .NET framework, in any of the folder structure, any of the class library, you can have 20 to 30 DLL projects. Everything will be inherited. Every individual class will be inherited by system.object. Without a system.object, you can't perform any action. Clear? That is the ultimate beauty of .NET framework. See, we are talking what is .NET framework. There is something is already available. On top of that, you are going to build your project based on the user need. Am I right? That is called a .NET framework. Am I right? Shake.
Yes.
So the framework will tell you that I have a class, which is a base class called object. You create your own custom classes. I will take care your functionalities and I will execute according to your need based on the code you written. Am I right?
Yeah.
Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
yes.
ultimately, whatever the thing you are writing will go on end with .NET framework classes. Am I right?
Correct.
So that's how it is. Even for Java also the same. Even for Java also they are having a system.object class. If you go into the Java CLR, they have a JVM and JVR, jar files and JVR and all. If you go to JVM and JVR, in the Java virtual machine, you will see system.object class. Okay? Clear?
Yes, sir, clear.
Yeah.
So you guys need to fundamentally write a program to understand what is class and what is object. Be all clear in future. If anybody comes and asks you, what is your parent of your custom class? What is your answer?
It is the object base class, system.object.
System dot.
Object.
Object.
Now, what are all the methods are available in system.object class? Get hash code,
Uh,
get hash code, all
Equal.
those things. Equals, all
Yeah.
those things will comes there. Okay. Say, mostly in interviews, anybody who comes with the 2 years experience, my very first question is, explain a class from which how .NET framework identify it as a class. There itself, I understand whether he is a good candidate for understanding the framework or not. Clear? Am I clear?
Yeah.
That's how it is. Thanks a lot. We'll meet tomorrow to talk about more on constructors.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Sheikh, if you want, talk to me. Call me. We will discuss. Kalandar.
Sure, sir. I will do.